Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install XAMPP on Kali Linux 2024. Open Firefox, then go to Google or any search engine. Search for Apache Friends. Go to apachefriends.org. See here the definition of XAMPP is a completely free, easy to install Apache distribution containing MariaDB, PHP, Perl. Okay, it is an open source package. Has been set up to be incredibly easy to install and to use. Okay, so we have the download for the Windows, Linux, and Mac OS. So the current stable version at the time of making this video is 8.2.12 and PHP version is 8.2.12. Okay, click on this XAMPP for Linux. Wait, it is going to download. See the message here, your download will start automatically. If it doesn't start, see download has been started and its size is 153 megabytes. Wait until download completes. See, download doesn't start, you have to click on this click here button. Okay, wait until this download completes. See, download is completed. Now open terminal. I have already opened. Click on this terminal. See, now go to downloads, cd downloads ls. See, we have the XAMPP linux.run file. So with the sudo privileges, sudo dot /XAMPP and type XAMPP and press tab and hit enter. Modify the permissions chmod 755. Now run the same one. See, this is the setup wizard. Click on forward. See, by default it has selected XAMPP core files and XAMPP developer. So keep both checkboxes as it is and click on forward. So it is going to install. So XAMPP will be installed on this /opt and lamp. So click on next, that is forward. See, XAMPP is ready. Now click on forward to start installing the XAMPP on Kali Linux 2024. See, installation is in progress. See, installation completed. Click on finish. Okay, we have successfully installed XAMPP. Click on manage servers. See, Apache web server is running and MySQL database is stopped. So click on start. Even if you want to stop this pro FTP-DB, you have to select it and you have to start. Okay. See, MySQL database is also started. If you want to configure, you have to click on this configure. See, the default port is 3306. Okay, close this one. If you want to see the config file, you have to click on this one. Okay, so I'm not going to change anything. Now let's create a sample. Go to install directory, that is cd opt lamp ls. See here we have the htt docs. So go to the directory cd ht docs ls. Okay, we have the index.php, or simply create new one, that is touch R2 schools php, hit enter. So don't have privileges, use the sudo, then touch, then R2 schools.php, then vi R2 schools php, I2 insert php echo singular double quotes, welcome to R2 schools, close the end statement with semicolon, echo new line, echo addition, end it, save the file. Now go to browser, then type localhost, see we received the dashboard, which means we have successfully installed. Now the file name is R2 schools. Okay, see still it is loading. Okay, open new tab, localhost dot R2 schools dot php, hit enter. See we got the same output whatever is there in this file. Okay, even if you add one more line, vi sudo vi R2 schools, hit enter, go to up, shift a, echo goodbye, put semicolon at the end of the each statement, save the file. Now reload it, we will see the goodbye after this 17. See output is successfully added after this addition. Okay, see, even see here it has successfully loaded the XAMPP dashboard. So in this video we have seen how to download and install XAMPP server version 8.2.12 on Kali Linux 2024. For more Kali Linux or ethical hacking videos or cyber security videos or pen testing videos, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.